Our refrigerator has been stolen, and this is the new fridge coming. I'm just gonna... Mary can edit this out when it's all said and done, but I didn't want to freak the refrigerator people out by filming them.
Thank you. Bye.
We have freezer space.
Yes.
That's exciting.
Probably take a little half hour for it to cool down, or so, an hour maybe.
All right.
And it should be clean because I cleaned it with my own two little hands.
Sweet. Oh, and it has an egg holder. I haven't lost anything. How exciting.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
You too, Sid. So it's unfortunate. I tried to film. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. I tried to film them taking our old one, but I lost the footage. It has an egg holder. This is awesome. All this food is gonna look so minuscule. Okay, so I'm gonna see if I can catch their butt again. No, I'm not gonna seem creepy. But it was funny. When they were taking the old fridge out, the guy in the red shirt, his ass was just hanging out. Completely and totally, utterly hanging out. It was so funny. The new refrigerator. So awesome.